This for all the so-called legends, Volts, Holy, Winky, JP, Killer T, Baba H.
Y'all had your moment, now it's my time. Waile Softs, I'm not here to take part, I take over. Boast JT, call it just trash. Rapping with a whisper, bruh, you never clash. Claim the ghetto, but your bar's too sweet. You sound like bedtime stories on a trap beat. Holy 10, more like holy mid. Spitting those politics like a preachy kid. I count stacks while you write blogs. I'm in the Benz, you still jog. You drop albums, I drop empires. You light a candle, I start fires. Talk deep, but the soul ain't there. I'm the storm in Zim rap, you just hot air. All these kings gotta fall today. Winky JP, get out my way. Volts and Holy, soft like clay. I'm the future, y'all just yesterday. Killer T, Baba H, y'all better pray. Waile Softs coming with that doomsday. Y'all had crowns, but I came to slay. I'm the sun rising in the Zim gateway. Winky D, the gaffer turned ghost. Rap revolution, man, you toast. Still stuck in 2009. I bring rockets, you bring rhyme. Job praiser with that beer blend. Cool melodies, but bro, it's the end. Military touch, but no real threat. I step on stages, crowd dripping sweat. My wardrobe sharper, my pen is colder. Your reign's done, this is the takeover folder. I run tracks like a border runner. You sing love songs, I bring thunder. All these kings gotta fall today. Winky JP, get out my way. Volts and Holy, soft like clay. I'm the future, y'all just yesterday. Killer T, Baba H, y'all better pray. Waile Softs coming with that doomsday. Y'all had crowns, but I came to slay. I'm the sun rising in the Zim gateway. Killer T, you ain't killing none. Same old rhythm with a different drum. Man, I sing Goma Yaka Oma, but your flow sound like a Thai diploma. Baba, Harare, sit down, my guy. Always on key, but still no high. Talking about love, but I steal your fans. My wave bigger than your wedding plans. Zim to USA, I bridge the map. You stuck in ZBC loops and clap trap. Your chart's dusty, my chart's gold. Your swag mild, mine ice cold. This ain't personal, it's lyrical business. Zim legends, your legacy's respected, but your run is over. New era, new boss, Waile Softs music. Big vibe, big mouth, big money.